Hi, I'm Jeremy Simon with 3D Universe. Welcome to our YouTube channel. About 10 years ago, I discovered the very exciting potential offered by 3D printing and digital fabrication, so I built 3D Universe in order to help others take advantage of these powerful tools. As a co-founder of the eNable volunteer community, I've seen firsthand how 3D printing can change people's lives in very powerful ways. It's been incredibly rewarding to see people from all over the world working together to help people in their communities. Digital fabrication tools allow us to bring ideas to life quickly and affordably. It's so exciting to see all the ways people are putting this technology to use. That's why we started the 3D Universe blog and the 3D Universe Untethered video podcast series, which you'll find links for below. We've had some amazing discussions with people who are using 3D printing and other digital fabrication tools to create art, invent new products, and to accelerate innovation within their organizations. Our primary goal has always been to educate people and to help ease the process of getting involved with digital fabrication technologies. Our team is very hands-on. We use these 3D printers and other tools every day, so if you're looking to get into 3D printing or add some new capabilities to a makerspace, give us a call and we'll be happy to help you find the right solution. This channel is filled with videos about our adventures in 3D printing, laser cutting, CNC, vacuum forming, and more. We hope you'll be inspired and that you'll learn something new from watching our videos. And if you do, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you'll get notifications when we release new ones. See you next time.